NC14L is a truly unique addition to our sewing machine lineup. This twin-needle, semi-long arm compound walking foot machine offers an extra 4 inches of inside sewing space, making it a versatile fit for nearly any shop that wishes to sew deep into materials with greater ease. This unit takes up less space than our 25-inch twin-needle long arm and is priced significantly less. The NC14L stands out with 2 exceptional features designed for precision sewing and ease of use. The split bar feature allows for precise inside and outside turns, making it ideal for sewing headrests, furniture corners, and 90-degree turns. The other standout feature is the foot control knob conveniently positioned on top of the machine. This proves invaluable when you encounter varying material thicknesses. The machine comes equipped with a custom USA-made solid wood tabletop and a servo motor workstation for a complete high-quality setup. As with all NC machines, the NC14L arrives fully assembled, tested, and ready for immediate use,